In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Deel account as an individual contractor. We'll walk through the process from the moment you land on the website to entering your personal details, keeping everything simple and clear so you can get set up with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the official Deel website. Make sure you're on the correct site by checking the URL and that the page is secure. On the home page, click Log In. This will take you to a sign-in page, and from there, choose Sign Up. Deel routes new users through the login area to begin registration, so starting from login is completely normal. Next, you'll be asked to select your contractor type. Choose Individual. This is important because Individual is for people signing up as sole contractors or freelancers under their own name. Do not choose Entity, which is meant for companies or incorporated businesses. Picking the right option here ensures your account settings, documents, and compliance flow match your situation. Now you'll fill out your basic contact information. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your official documents and use an email address you check regularly. This email will be your primary contact for important notices and updates about contracts, invoices, and payments. Before you click Create Account, take a moment to review your entries for typos or formatting issues, since this information appears on contracts and invoices later on. After creating your account, you'll be prompted to provide your personal details. Start with your residential address. Use your current address and keep it consistent with your government documents and bank records to avoid verification problems down the line. If your address includes apartment or unit numbers, enter them clearly and use the correct postal or zip code. You'll also be asked for your tax residency information. Tax residency is generally the country where you're legally considered a tax resident, often where you live most of the year. If your situation is unique, like splitting time across countries, follow the on-screen guidance carefully and use the information that reflects your primary tax obligations. Keeping these details accurate helps Deel generate the correct tax forms and ensures compliance for both you and your clients. Once your personal information is in, review everything one more time for accuracy and consistency. When you're satisfied, submit the details to complete your setup. That's it. Your Deel account as an individual contractor is ready to go. You can now proceed with confidence, knowing your profile is correctly configured for smooth contracting and payments.